Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. In this video, I'll be showing you how to add friends to favorites on Facebook. The first thing you will need to do is go into Facebook. From here, you want to tap on the three dashes in the bottom right hand corner if you're on an iPhone. And if you're on an Android device, you'll tap on the three dashes in the top right hand corner. And once you're on this page right here, you're going to tap on Feeds. After selecting Feeds, you're going to tap on Favorites in the top left hand corner. Then right where you see Manage Favorites, you're going to tap on that, and it will bring you to this page from which you can select who you would like to add as your favorites on Facebook. You can simply tap on Add beside the person's name, and as you can see right there, they are now my favorite right there, and that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative on how to add favorites on Facebook app.